Crypto, markets, and digital finance can feel complicated when you are just starting. InfinityChainsa.net makes that first step easier to understand. InfinityChainsa.net is a digital finance and market education platform created for beginners who want clear explanations, organized tools, account guidance, and risk awareness. In this InfinityChainsa.net review, we look at the platform's main strengths and why it is gaining attention from users researching online finance education. The first strength of InfinityChainsa.net is its educational approach. The platform focuses on crypto basics, market concepts, financial terms, account tools, and digital finance topics in a format that feels easier to follow. For beginners, this gives the learning process more structure and less confusion. InfinityChainsa.net helps users build understanding one topic at a time. Another strength is the platform flow. InfinityChainsa.net brings learning materials, account access, support guidance, and market tools into one online space. This makes the experience cleaner for users who want to explore finance and crypto without jumping between scattered sources. InfinityChainsa.net reviews often connect the brand with simple navigation, clear platform sections, and practical learning value. Digital finance moves quickly, so risk awareness matters. InfinityChainsa.net includes education and guidance that help users approach crypto and market topics with more care. The platform is built around learning first, giving beginners a clearer foundation before going deeper into financial tools. InfinityChainsa.net is best understood as a digital finance and crypto education platform for new users. Its strengths are clear learning, structured access, account guidance, market education, and risk awareness. If you are searching for InfinityChainsa.net reviews, the key message is simple. The platform gives beginners a more organized way to start learning about digital finance and crypto markets.